Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video. This video will be very helpful for you. But before proceeding further in the video, make sure to subscribe our channel. If you haven't subscribed our channel till now, this is going to be very helpful for you. Also be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Just a quick information to share that if you want to purchase any of the courses of Geeks for Geeks, they provide amazing courses. You can get the 10% off by using my coupon code study with Soumya. The coupon code is provided in the description itself, so you can check it from there. Happy learning, guys. We'll proceed further with our first opportunity, that is from IHS Market. So they are hiring for 2022 batch. As you can see right now, 2022 intern technology in Bangalore, right? So cause and effect at IHS Market. So 2022 intern technology they are hiring. This is a kind of information given regarding the company, that it is named most influential tech analyst firm in 2018. IHS Market are at the forefront of the digital and technological revolution. At IHS Market, we deliver impactful real-world analytics and intelligence for industries and markets all around the world. So multiple information is given there. You can just go to it, and before applying for any company, it is recommended that you should have the proper idea regarding the company, right? So here, the role they are going to offer is that if you're passionate about solving challenge technical problems and have a desire to work in technology, this is the stream for you. Opportunities within the technology stream include software development, information technology and infrastructure, quality assurance. During your summer internship, you will gain invaluable on the job experience while developing the skills to drive your career within the corporate world. You will partner with our industry specialists to deliver high impact work. So what they're actually looking for is that we see candidates with diverse backgrounds and ideas with a desire to learn and thrive. The summer internship program will provide you with a variety of experience to help you identify your strength, develop highly transferable skills. Okay, so this is something that they have recommended for their technology applicants, is that a science, technology, engineering or maths related degree you should be having and understanding or interest in any of the following, that is software development methodologies, relational databases, Java based technology, quality assurance, infrastructure, Microsoft technology. To be eligible for a summer internship, you will so have or be working toward a bachelor's or master degree completing no later than 2022. So this is opportunity for 2022 batch only. You should have excellent communication skills, strong critical thinking and problem solving skills, be legally eligible to work for the duration of the program in the country for which you apply, and ability to learn and adapt quickly in a rapidly changing environment. So this is the information given. Even you can go through it once, and if you're finding it interesting, and definitely it's an amazing opportunity, make sure to apply. Here's our next opportunity from Eightfold, right? So this is an amazing company. Let me tell you that they are hiring for the role of member of technical staff for 2022 batch fresh grads. So this opportunity is also for the 2022 batch. This role is for the fresh grads who are graduating in the year 2022. Eightfold was founded with a vision to solve for employment in our society. For decades, the connection between individuals and opportunities has been based on who the individuals are and the strength of their network versus their potential, right? Certain the information is given, you can go through it once. Let me tell you what you are going to do here in this role is you will be developing robust, scalable and configurable applications and modules emphasizing quality, performance, design and reusability. Collaborate with product management, design and the rest of engineering to iterate and enhance our product, prototype new ideas and iterate towards the ideal user experience, participate in technical discussion and plan to improve our overall software quality. So the tech stacks are Python, Flask, TensorFlow, SQL, Bash, Ansible, React, Redux, Webpack, jQuery, Vanilla.js, Apache Spark, MySQL, Docker, major AWS services like Aurora, S3, Redshift, CloudFormation, SNS, SQS, etc. Extensive use of AI and machine learning technology. What we look for is that a solid grounding in computer science fundamentals, strong hold on data structure and algorithm, passionate about designing, building, launching, and maintaining. So here you can see they haven't specified any particular branch. There is no marks criteria, but the only thing they need is a proper skill set, like you should be good in data structure and all. right? So this is an amazing opportunity for you, for the students for which the marks is a particular restriction due to which they cannot apply. So this is an amazing opportunity, so make sure to apply. Next opportunity is from directly. As you can see, here's the information given regarding the company, about the founder, what is the job like. So as an intern software development engineer, you will engage in product engineering efforts at Flock and work with class dev teams to develop game-changing, globally distributed Web 2.0 products used by millions worldwide. You will be involved in the entire life cycle of a project, including strategy, vision, design, UX, coding, architecture, deployment, etc. So this opportunity is also for 2022 batch. They are hiring for intern software development engineer, right? Now, who should apply for this post? So you have the makings of an ace developer, impressive problem solving skills, sharp reasoning, and a logical bent. You are passionate about programming and delivering clean, test covered, well designed, scalable code. You have a good grasp on programming fundamentals, including OOPS, design patterns, algorithm, data structure, networking, and are not rigid with respect to choice of technology, are relatively platform agnostic, and open to adopting the right technology for the task at hand. Skills you need are you are acquainted with, have mastered a few of the below skills tools: Java, C Sharp, PHP, Ruby, Python, C++, JavaScript. Here's the benefits and perks mentioned. You can go through it. Again, this is also an amazing opportunity. Here also they haven't specified any marks criteria also, because they do care about the skill set, not the marks. Let's talk about our next opportunity, that is from Infosys. Well, Infosys is hiring for the role of process executive. As you can see, the location mentioned is Bangalore. The work experience they have mentioned is 0 years. It means no matter, like, 0 years as they have mentioned. So if you're from 21 batch, 20 batch, 2019 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. Talking about the responsibilities, execute transaction as per the guidelines and timelines in order to meet SLA targets, execute client transactions as per defined SOP, resolve individual cases that need rework, shares experience, delivers on the new process approach. Preferred skills are domain banking, right? So if this is a job, okay, here they have mentioned educational requirement, that Master of Business, ADM, Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Business, Bachelor of Computer Applications, Bachelor of Commerce. So these are the degrees that they have asked for. If you are having these degrees set and if you are interested in this opportunity, then make sure to apply, right? So these were some opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If this is so, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Be a part of our Telegram channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye, take care.